KidsVision TV.
Hi kids, today we learn small alphabet. Let's begin. Maroon color, red color, green, dark green color, light green, pink color, brown color, light blue color, orange color, purple color, yellow color, and remain is blue color. Let's start. Blue color, A, small a, orange, orange, B, small b, dark green color, C, C, brown color, small d, small d, yellow color, E, small e, maroon color, F, F, small f, light blue color, G, small g, purple color, H, small h, pink color, I, small I, light green color, J, small j, red color, K, small k, small k, light blue color, L, small l, yellow color, small m, small m, orange color, small n, small n, dark green color, O, small o, brown color, P, small p, purple color, Q, small q, red color, R, small r, light green color, S, small s, dark blue color, T, small t, yellow color, U, small u, maroon color, V, small v, pink color, W, small w, light blue color, X, small x, dark green color, Y, small y, Z, red color, Z, small z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's learn again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Subscribe us for more videos.